All right, second episode for the D-Bot build, and we're cutting the frame so we can put it together. So let's go ahead and take a look at what work was involved. Okay, so during that first time lapse, I did make a mistake and I accidentally cut on the wrong side of a measurement I made. This section right here with the blue tape, it's actually supposed to be cut on the side here, of course, not there. So that made this guy too short. I didn't have any extra material because I made plans to make this as tall as possible with using as much of the material that I was ordering so that I wouldn't have any scrap left over. That was a bad mistake. It took 2 weeks to get the extra material so that I could finish this project. And I literally ordered an extra one of the one that I didn't cut wrong just in case I run into anything when I'm doing assembly. So let's go ahead and take a look at the time lapse of that. All right, everybody, we learned a couple lessons this time. One, order extra material so you don't have an issue like I did where you're waiting for parts. Two, I used the hacksaw. I recommend the miter saw. It's a little easier and more accurate. And three, keep on moving. Don't stop. Do what you want to do, learn from your experiences, and don't let anybody stop you from doing that. So until next time, keep building, keep printing, and do what you love.